In this video, we are going to show you how to edit Google Docs offline on your computer. To use Google Docs offline, you must use Google Chrome as web browser. Go to the Google Docs home screen. Now, click on the menu icon and then select Settings. Look for the offline option and make sure it's active. Click on this button. At the first time, you need to install the Google Docs offline extension to your Chrome browser. Click on the installation button. Click on the Add Chrome, Add extension. Within a few seconds, the extension will be installed on your browser. After successfully installing the extension, go back to the previous option and then click again on this button. Click OK. Here you will find all the documents you have already created. Now, if you want to enable any documents to edit offline, click on this More icon. Under the name of its, select Available offline. Now you will see a marked icon on this document. However, if you are already viewing a document, click on the file and then select Make Available offline. Go back to the home screen. Now click on any document. Now you can edit this file offline. Disconnect your internet connection and now edit your Google Docs offline. If you notice at the top, here you will see the file has been saved to this device. Thanks for watching this video.